be cleaning the whole house. It has been such a mess. We've been doing some remodeling, painting, you name it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave a comment and subscribe. Finding that this is a great opportunity to pack up some of the kids' toys since we've decided to move. I mean, the clock's ticking. We have so much stuff to process and we're just trying to get through it one room at a time. So now as I clean, I kind of do a little purge and throw some things in the bin that I can hopefully stuff in the garage and they'll forget about until moving day, where we can reintroduce it. Wondering why you always see me putting their toys into these white boxes. It's because when I buy the big box, I don't know what to do. They give me a new one every time and I don't need it, so I just end up using them as storage. I have some in my bathroom. You know what? I don't care. It's plastic. It'll last a long time. I get to reuse it, and when we're done with it, we'll recycle them.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter, bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah,
wish I could say that I was able to clean my sofa out like this every single week, because it needs it. It is absolutely amazing to me how much dust and crumbs the kids make. I mean, they're toddlers and I only have 2 of them. You'd think I was cleaning up after an army. Well, that just about wraps it up for today. Please subscribe again, and until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a bunch of new content coming out on the website, modernhousewifeonline.com. See you there, and see you next time. Bye.